Turn your chaotic, cable-laden desk into an organized haven with cable clips and organizers. These small tools are crucial for tidying up, organizing, and concealing cables of all types, making your workspace efficient and visually pleasing. Protect and conceal your desk cords with cable sleeves and wire looms. Sleeves made of flexible materials like nylon or polyester group your cables neatly, while rigid or semi-rigid wire looms offer extra protection. Both are easily installed by sliding cables in and securing them with ties or straps. Harness the simplicity of Velcro straps for cable management. These adjustable and reusable straps are excellent for keeping cables untangled and can be used to discreetly hide them on your desk. Navigate your cables neatly along walls, ceilings, or under desks with cable ducts or trays. These structures, made from durable materials, provide a conduit for your cables, ensuring they are organized and out of sight. These discrete channels, available in various materials, are designed to house and hide your cables. Select the appropriate size and use cable ties to bundle your cords within these channels for a sleek look. Not only functional but also stylish, cable management boxes protect and conceal power strips and cords. Available in various materials, they are an aesthetic addition to your workspace while keeping cables neat and cool. Optimize your desk space by installing under-desk cable trays. These handy trays hide and manage the cord clutter typically found under desks, creating a cleaner look and feel. Consolidate your power needs with a multi-device charging station, keeping your desk free from the jumble of individual chargers and creating a dedicated spot for powering up all your devices. Embrace the future with wireless charging solutions. Eliminate cords completely from your desk with wireless charging pads, furniture with built-in charging capabilities, and more. For a comprehensive solution, opt for a cable management kit. It includes a variety of tools like Velcro straps, clips, and ducts, offering multiple ways to tidy up your cables. Invest in furniture designed to keep cords out of sight. These pieces have built-in compartments and routing channels to discreetly manage and protect cables. Effortlessly identify and access your cables with labeled cords. Use label makers, cord tags, or colored tags to mark each cord, saving you time and frustration. For complex setups, maintain a reference guide of labeled cables. This handy document can be a quick reference to navigate through a multitude of wires, ensuring easy maintenance and troubleshooting.